Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, January 23rd, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening in math. You have an optional review for our quiz that is tomorrow. Module 6 quiz is tomorrow. Units retake is on Friday. Make sure you are studying using either Cram, your answer key that you have been given, or you can use Quizlet. In science, lesson review, page 213, problems numbers 1 through 6, as well as number 9. Social studies, you need to finish the Atlas worksheet number 28 that you started in class today. If your Mesopotamia project is not due, you can still get it turned in for a late grade. Remember, every day that it's late is 10% off. Language arts, there is no homework this evening, and in literature, you need to be reading AR, and you need to continue to be reading your book club book to prepare for the quiz and meeting on Friday. You also have a journal on persuasion that is due Friday through Google Classroom. The background color for that slide needs to be white. Thank you and have a great day.